What's back? What's up? YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram,
Anybody book, we book.
anything he posts on. Welcome back to our cooking show, Chef Murphy's. That's what I named it. Right now, we're gonna take out the beef Wellingtons and then put the sourdough garlic bread inside.
Two hands. You got it? Hold on. Hold on, baby. Get all the way in, dude. All the way in. Okay. Now take that. It's on top here. Okay, you see the bottom pan? Can you pull it out a little bit? Slide it from the middle, dude. Okay. Use two hands, please. Put it on top. Get one more. Put it on top. Okay, close the oven, please. Set the timer for 12 minutes. Okay. As you can see,
our beef Wellington
is golden
brown, crispy.
Krispy Kreme, Captain says.
My dad's jalapenos is cooked
And now you gotta let it sit for about 10 minutes.
to cool down. And then while it's cooling down, you put the garlic bread inside the oven for 12 minutes.
Alright, potatoes need to go longer.
Bah!
So let's take the top off, put them back in.
Okay, we're gonna put the mashed potatoes back in.
Actually, do this too. Watch out. Dude, that's really an annoying noise. Go, put them in. Open the oven. You can't make a noise like that, dude. I would turn. Tim, get it.
Someone's calling someone.
We'll be back in 10.
Peace!